Okay, number 59. So again, we need the minimum point of a graph or the maximum. And because this graph, we can already tell because of the negative sign, it's most likely going to open downward. So let's assume that it opens downward. And our maximum point will be right here at the vertex. So, right now we need to find that vertex point. In my opinion, for doing this, the vertex is necessary. So, to get the vertex form, there's two ways we can do it. We can do the box method, which is doing this, x minus 3. And then we're going to put x and 7. And then multiply across, and then and that'll get you the standard form. Or we can get the average of these points, and that'll give us our x value for the vertex. Let me explain. So what we're doing basically is making a number line. We're making a number line with the point 7, positive 7, and negative 3. We need to find, these are our x value of the roots. Right here, it gives us the x value of the roots. So if we were to graph this, the roots, like say we have a y-axis right here, the roots would be on negative 3, 0, 7, 0. So, let's draw this imaginary quadratic. We know, because these points are the roots, that halfway in between them is going to be that vertex. To get that halfway point, and keep in mind these are the only x values. To get that halfway point, we can just add these up and divide them by 2, getting the average. Or if you want to count them out just to be safe, feel free to. So that's negative 2, negative 1, 0. Wait, no, I didn't do that right. Let's just add them up and divide by 2. So if we add them up and divide by 2, we get 4, because 7 minus 3 is 4, and we divide by 2, that gives us 2. And we can show this on the number line because we got 7 right here. We're going to put a 6 right there. Negative 3, we're going to put a negative 2. Then we're going to put a 5, negative 1, 0, right here. So we're at 7, 6, 5, 4 right here. Put a 3 right there. Put a 2 right here and put a 1. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're left with 2. If you want to graph this, put this in a graphing calculator and it'll work. And you will see that your x value is 2. That halfway mark right there is 2. It's crazy because now that we have the x value of the vertex, we just plug this value right here into here because we need the y value. I always see this f of x as maybe even a y. So now we're going to solve for y. So when we put this into the equation, do this, Put the 2 in there, minus 3. And then you put the 2 again, plus 7. And let's just do the math. So you get negative 1. And you get 9. Multiply these babies together. Negative 9. And then you put the, because it has that negative sign, so you put negative, negative, positive 9. So that should be our vertex. I am going to go ahead and look at that and make sure that is right. So we are saying this point right here is our vertex. So I'm going to type that into the graphing calculator. I'll be right back.